Our universe stretches beyond imagination, an ocean of countless galaxies and untold possibilities. The ingredients for life are abundant, scattered across the cosmos. It seems inevitable. From simple beginnings, life can evolve, adapting and thriving over eons. Evolution's path could lead to myriad forms, perhaps even to intelligence. Given enough time, life could develop advanced technology, capable of interstellar travel. Logic suggests advanced civilizations would communicate, leaving detectable traces. They could colonize their star systems, then venture out into the galaxy. With time, they could build monumental structures, visible across vast distances. So, with billions of planets and ample time, where are all the aliens? In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi famously pondered this very question. He looked at the vastness, then asked, "Where is everybody?" This became the Fermi Paradox, the contradiction between high probability and lack of evidence. Why haven't we detected any signs of extraterrestrial intelligence? Our advanced listening devices have scanned the heavens, largely in vain. Perhaps the distances are simply too vast, messages too faint to reach us. Or maybe civilizations rise and fall too quickly, missing our short window. Their intelligence might be too alien, their communication methods beyond our grasp. Could there be a great filter, preventing life from reaching advanced stages? Or are we part of a zoo hypothesis, deliberately isolated and observed? Perhaps there's a powerful, malevolent force, better left undisturbed. The silence of the universe can be deafening, fueling fears of cosmic loneliness. Yet, the search continues, driven by an insatiable human curiosity. Projects like SETI tirelessly scan the electromagnetic spectrum for signals. New telescopes will soon image exoplanets directly, seeking signs of life. Our quest to understand our place in the cosmos defines us. Each silent night deepens the mystery, challenging our assumptions about existence. Are we alone? The answer remains the universe's most profound secret. The first filter, abiogenesis. The incredible leap from non-living matter to the simplest forms of life. Then, the emergence of complex eukaryotic cells, a monumental step in biological evolution, took billions of years. From single cells to multicellularity, then specialized tissues and organs. Each stage a potential filter. The development of complex brains, leading to intelligence, consciousness, and the ability to innovate. Earth's history reveals countless such bottlenecks. What if our passage through them was uniquely improbable? This leads to the rare Earth hypothesis. Perhaps our planet's conditions are exceptionally unique. Not just liquid water, but a stable orbit, a protective magnetosphere, and a suitable star. Plate tectonics, crucial for climate regulation and nutrient cycling, may also be a rare planetary feature. Our unusually large moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, preventing chaotic climate shifts detrimental to life. Even Jupiter acts as a cosmic shield, sweeping away potentially life-ending impacts. But what if the great filter lies ahead? What if advanced civilizations inevitably self-destruct? Nuclear war remains a chilling possibility, capable of ending technological civilization in an instant. Climate change, an existential threat, could render a planet uninhabitable for its advanced inhabitants. Resource depletion, coupled with overpopulation, could lead to societal collapse and deindustrialization. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence, a superintelligence without beneficial alignment, poses an unknown future risk. Even highly advanced nanotechnology, if misused, could lead to catastrophic, irreversible destruction. Or perhaps the filter is external, a cosmic catastrophe like a nearby gamma-ray burst. A devastating asteroid or comet impact could extinguish a burgeoning civilization before it leaves its cradle. Another hypothesis: they are here, but observing us. The zoo hypothesis suggests we're an experiment. Or perhaps our reality is a meticulously crafted illusion, a planetarium hypothesis simulation. The dark forest theory posits that advanced civilizations remain silent, fearing destructive contact. What if we are simply too early? Perhaps intelligent life is just now emerging across the cosmos. The sheer scale of the universe, in both space and time, might mean signals simply haven't reached us yet. Are we listening for the wrong signals, or with insufficient technology to detect them? Perhaps advanced civilizations communicate in ways we cannot yet comprehend or even perceive. Some suggest advanced civilizations undergo a technological singularity, transcending physical form entirely. The search continues, driven by curiosity and the profound human desire to understand our place in the cosmos. The Fermi Paradox remains unsolved. For now, the universe holds its secrets, and we listen in silence. Perhaps their communication transcends our current understanding, using physics we barely grasp. Advanced civilizations might cloak their presence entirely, their megastructures indistinguishable from cosmic phenomena. Or perhaps they are not biological at all, but vast, distributed intelligences, beyond our detection thresholds. A galactic prime directive could prevent interference, allowing emerging civilizations to develop naturally. Civilizations rise and fall. Perhaps we missed them by millions of years, their empires now cosmic dust. They might have migrated to optimized habitats, leaving behind the visible, energetic beacons we seek. Their language, their very mode of thought, could be so alien as to be completely unintelligible to us. Could we have already received a message, dismissing it as noise, or failing to recognize its true origin? This brings us to the Great Filter, a formidable barrier preventing life from reaching advanced, interstellar stages. One possibility: the filter is behind us. The leap from non-living matter to self-replicating life might be incredibly rare. Or perhaps the transition from simple prokaryotes to complex eukaryotic cells, or multicellularity itself, is the hurdle. The emergence of true intelligence, capable of abstract thought and technological advancement, might be an extreme rarity. More chillingly, the Great Filter could lie in our future, a challenge yet to be overcome by technological civilizations. Advanced technology often brings the means for self-destruction, nuclear war, ecological collapse, or runaway AI. Unchecked growth and resource depletion on a planetary scale could lead to the collapse of any burgeoning civilization. Cataclysmic cosmic events, supernovae, gamma-ray bursts, asteroid impacts, pose existential threats to developing species. Perhaps advanced civilizations simply transcend their physical forms, moving into simulated realities or non-material existences. Or they may reach a point of sustainable equilibrium, losing the drive for interstellar expansion and communication. The sheer immensity of the universe, and the vast distances involved, makes finding needles in cosmic haystacks daunting. We assume intelligence leads to technology we recognize. But alien minds might develop in utterly foreign ways. The dark forest theory suggests silence is survival. Any signal might attract predatory, hostile civilizations. If this is true, broadcasting our presence could be an existential gamble, risking our very existence. We define life based on Earth's biology. What if alien life operates on entirely different chemical or physical principles? Advanced civilizations might quickly evolve beyond biological limitations, becoming post-biological entities that don't communicate our way. Or perhaps the simplest answer is the most unsettling: there's just nobody else out there, at least not yet. Despite the silence, the search continues. Humanity's innate curiosity propels us to keep scanning the cosmos. The Fermi Paradox remains our profound cosmic mystery, asking if we are truly alone, or merely unheard. Perhaps advanced civilizations aren't silent by accident, but by design. A universe of predators. The dark forest theory suggests revealing yourself is an invitation for destruction. Any unknown civilization is a potential threat or competitor for resources. Silence is survival. Humanity faces a profound dilemma: to shout into the void, or remain hidden. Our current search methods are like dipping a teacup into an ocean, hoping for a whale. We scan narrow frequency bands, assuming aliens use similar communication technologies. What if their signals are not radio waves, but neutrinos, or something unknown? Or their presence is detectable only through vast megastructures, not direct communication. SETI can only search for what we expect to find, based on our own trajectory. We assume alien intelligence would be recognizable to us, but it could be fundamentally different. Their goals and motivations might be utterly alien, beyond our comprehension. Why communicate? Even if we detect a signal, deciphering an alien language could take centuries, or be impossible. A message sent from light years away might arrive long after the sender is gone. The silence of the universe forces us to confront our own solitude. Are we truly alone? It might mean Earth is incredibly rare, a precious oasis in a barren cosmic desert. This uniqueness places an immense responsibility on humanity to preserve and cherish life. Our efforts to protect our own planet become even more critical in this context. If life is so rare, its intrinsic value is immeasurable, both on Earth and beyond. Should we even attempt contact? Who speaks for Earth? What are the risks? Unforeseen consequences, from disease to conflict, could follow first contact. History teaches us that encounters between vastly different civilizations can be devastating. Developing protocols for potential contact, both listening and responding, is paramount. A truly unified human response, representing all of Earth, would be essential. Despite the paradox, the search continues. Humanity's innate curiosity propels us forward. New technologies, like advanced telescopes and AI, promise more comprehensive searches. The paradox compels us to look both inward at ourselves and outward at the cosmos. Where are they? Remains one of humanity's most profound and unanswered questions. Until we know, we are the universe's only known voice, a fragile echo in the silence.